Hey everyone, check out this great lease special at Crown Dodge Jeep of Ventura. A brand new 2023 Wrangler Unlimited 4xe Willys edition at $479 per month plus taxes for 48 months, 10,000 miles per year, 25 cents per mile in excess, and $4,999 due at signing for well-qualified returning Jeep leases. Now, this car comes in a silver clear coat exterior color and a black interior color and equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Equipped with tons of cool features such as Alpine Premium sound system, Uconnect radio with Apple and Android CarPlay, a 7-inch color display, integrated voice command, remote keyless entry, one-touch power windows, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Jeep, Dodge, and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a brand new 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys Unlimited. Sale ends January 31st, and all payments plus taxes must lease with U.S. Bank on approved credit. Thank you so much.